He tried. He started.
Come here, Diggory. Come on. Oh, you silly boy. Oh, you silly boy.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Well, you're Mr. Activity.
Hi, Remus.
You know what we...
Hi, Remus. Look at 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 Remus.
His little tail's going like 90 miles an hour.
Oh, little pirouette or something.
Can you dance? Can you dance? Can you dance? Can you dance? Oh,
Yes. Oh.
can you dance?
Okay.
Can you dance?